Everyone running, nothing lasts. So many voices, so many signs, but no one listening between the lines. We chase the fire, we chase the flame, but forget the pause that gives it name. Without stillness is noise, 1,000 sounds, no inner voice. But when I breathe and slow it down, I hear the truth beneath the sound. Energy without stillness is loud, but stillness turns the volume down. And in that quiet I finally see the power was always inside of me. Us out. Movement without presence leads to doubt. We build and speak and try to prove, but lose the reason why we move. The drum needs space between the beats. The heart needs silence just to speak. Energy without stillness is noise. A restless mind, 1,000 choices. But when the body learns to rest, the soul remembers what it knows best. Without stillness is loud, but stillness turns the volume down. And in that quiet, clear and slow, the deepest wisdom starts to show. Stop breathing, breathe in deep. Energy within stillness becomes alive, a steady flame that burns us right. No need to shout, no need to change. Presence moves at its own pace. Energy because stillness is true, a remembering of what we knew. When noise fades and the heart rejoices, stillness teaches energy how to speak. Without stillness is noise, but stillness is is the power.
You think it's about the Boona in the pot, but it's about the parts we forgot. About sitting close, knee to knee. About who we are when we're free. The city is small, but it holds the world. Every story gently curled. This isn't habit, this is prayer. Disguised as something we can share. It's not about the coffee, it never was. It's about remembering who we are and who we trust. The Boona opens what we hide. The city teaches us to abide. We don't rush the roasting flame. Oh, we let the moment call our name. Oh, children, elders, strangers too. Oh, all made equal by the groove. No one higher, no one less. Just hearts learning to confess. Bad love doesn't need a stage. Only presence, age to age. It's not about the coffee, it's about the space where we drop the mask and meet each other face to face. The city passes hand to hand, a quiet truth we understand. So if you came for just a drink, stay a while. Slow your pace. Because what you're tasting isn't Boona, it's belonging poured into a singing. Welcome everyone, come gather near. This is more than coffee or tasting here. It's a circle of spirit, the story of flame, a remembering older than any name. This is not a rush, this is not a race. This is time slowing down in a sacred space. This is the dance between fire and beams, where smoke tells stories unseen, where hands remember what hearts have known. We are never drinking alone. This is the dance, a just a sip and stay with time. This is the Javaner shaped by hand, the womb of change where beginnings stand. Grass beneath us, green and alive, whispers of earth reminding us why. Incense rising, prayers in the air, even in silence, love is there. This is the dance between fire and beams, where smoke tells stories unseen, where hands remember what hearts have known. We all never drink it alone. This is the dance, ancient and true, fire and beams, me and you, in every crackle, every sound, our ancestors gather around. Hear the hiss, hear the flame. Green beans wake when called by name. They move, they crack, they come alive. Transformation before our eyes. This is not a roasting, this is recall. A memory living inside us all. This remembrance, this is connection, this is the sound of home. This is the dance between fire and beams, a sacred rhythm in between. Every scent, every breath we take is love the ancestors made. So they be still, let the story begin. The fire is ready, and so we begin. not loud, just presence, just now. From beam to fire, from fire to heart. Us home. When the coffee rolls, the aroma surrounds me, and in the silence I remember why.
Morning comes without a hurry. Light rests easy on the floor. Fire wakes the room and whispers, like it's been here all before. Ooh. Hands move slow, no need to rush it. The day can wait outside. Smoke rises like a blessing, curling stories into time. Nothing asks us to be ready, nothing pulls us somewhere new. All that matters is this moment and the way it's holding you. Light a fire, slowly we begin the day. Sitting close in circles, letting silence stay. Boonabet with presence, every breath a prayer. We're not passing time together, we are meeting there. Cups are small but filled with warmth, enough to hold the heart. Eyes meet softly, then they linger. No one playing any part. Oh, laughter comes like gentle rain, and quiet finds its place. Even stillness feels like music when it moves at this pace. Here the world feels less demanding. Here the noise forgets our name. We remember how to listen before speaking once again. By the fire, slowly we return to now. But not shared impatience, no one asking how. Hands remembering sun rhythms, hearts already know. This is how the morning teaches how to let life flow. Fire doesn't rush the wood, beings don't wake in fear. Everything becomes itself when we stay right here. What is meant to rise will rise, what is heavy falls away. Nothing forced, nothing missing, just the truth of day. Nothing is wrong, nothing needs fixing, nothing needs filling, nothing needs explaining. Silence is not empty, it is full of listening. Sometimes it feels unfamiliar, and the body stirs looking for sound, for movement, for something to hold on to. That's okay. We've just forgotten how gentle quiet can be. Yeah. There is nothing but love is soft. It doesn't shout, it waits, so we become still to feel it. Your breath, you don't have to perform, you don't have to speak. In this quiet, something beautiful remembers how to move through you. Silence isn't the absence of light, it's where light finally speaks. There's silence in the room, and nothing is wrong. Nothing needs fixing, nothing needs filling, nothing needs explaining. Silence is not empty, it is full of listening. Sometimes it feels unfamiliar, and the body stirs looking for sound, for movement, for something to hold on to. That's okay. We just forgotten how gentle quiet can be. There is nothing but love is soft. It doesn't shout, it waits, so we become still to feel it. Your breath, you don't have to perform, you don't have to sleep. In this quiet, something beautiful remembers how to move through you. Silence isn't the absence of light, it's where light kindly speaks. every step that led us here. Every laugh, every tear was on a ride, but we didn't see until the moment opened us gently. We come together, we lay it down in this circle, safe and sound. In the warmth and shared breath, life feels wider than before this step. No need to search, no need to roam. This is the return. This is home. There is stillness holding space, not empty, not erased. It listens deeper than the mind, it leaves no part of us behind. Hands around a cup we hold, stories quiet, hearts unfold. Time releases what it owns as laughter finds its natural tone. What we carry starts to rest, what we fear no longer test. Every face reflects the truth we were never meant to We come together, we lay it down in this circle, safe and sound. In the warmth and shared breath, life feels wider than before this step. No need to search, no need to roam. This is the return. This is home. Not the home of wars or names, but the place where nothing streams, where we sit and simply be and remember who we've always been. We come together, hand to hand, no one leads, no command, just presence clear and known. 1,000 hearts, one tone. This survival feels like truth. This remembrance alone. Every road we've ever roamed was guiding us back home. Stay a while, breathe it in, let the circle close again. This is the return. This is home.